Hi, y'all. Um, this is me and our official co-host, Baja the Wonder Dog. Um, some of you know, some don't. Baja is not actually our dog. She was the neighbor's dog. Um, yes and no. But she has moved across town, so she won't be appearing very often. Like apparently, I have visitation rights. Um, but we're gonna miss her. We miss her already, and I guess Raja the kitty can be our co-host, filling co-host, and she wants me to throw the ball. Anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know if you don't see Baja, that's why, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.